Hi, this is Tehmina Khan. Today I will teach you how to sketch graph of trigonometric function. I have taken an example of sine function. You all must know that when we are sketching a curve, we do not plot with the help of the table. Rather, we just focus on few key points. We mark those points and then we complete the shape of the curve. In the sine graph, you need 5 important points, which are 3 are on this line, which is called axis of the curve. I will tell you what is axis of the curve, and then you can see one maximum value, one minimum value. This is a standard shape of the sine graph. Like the multiplication, it is multiplying by 1, nothing is adding here, nothing is multiplying with the angle also. So in this case, the maximum value is 1, minimum is minus 1, and the 3 points on the axis of the curve are at 0, 180 and 360. Now let's see the example. The general example. Y is equals to a sine bx plus c. C is called the axis of the curve. A is amplitude. B helps us to find out how many cycles will be in the curve. This shape is called one complete cycle. After that, if you will continue sketching it, it will take the same shape. And the number here also helps you to find out what will be the cycle period. Now, cycle period is in how many degrees one cycle will be completed. So these are the meaning of the numbers written at these places. Now to find out the maximum value, you add up c plus a. And to find out the minimum value, you do c minus a, like this. Now see, the first sketch we have done is y is equals to sine x. Sine mean it was 1 here, it was 1 here, and there was no axis of the curve, so it was 0. So my x-axis is basically my axis of the curve in this case. Now if I do 0 plus 1 and 0 minus 1, so these will be my values at 90 degree and 270 degree, because maximum occurs at 90 degree 1, minimum occurs at 270 degree, which is minus 1, and my this line at 0, the equation of this line is x equals to 0, sorry, y equals to 0, will be my axis of the curve. And amplitude is how high it is above the x-axis and how low it is above the x-axis. So now let's take another example here. Now let's see the example here. Y is equals to 2 sine x plus 3. 3 is the axis of the curve, so I will have a horizontal line at y equals to 3. 2 is my amplitude, so above the x-axis I will go 2 units up, and below the y is equals to 3, I will go 2 units down. So if you do 3 plus 2, you will get 5. 3 minus 2, you will get minus 1. So you have your maximum and minimum value here. So first of all, you will highlight your 3 points on the axis of the curve. This is your simple x and y axis. And your axis of the curve is at y equals to 3. So you are marking the point at 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. You can write here also 0, 180, 360, doesn't matter. And at 90 degree, your highest point is 5. And at 270 degree, you have lowest point 1, least value. And after marking these 5 points, you just have to complete the sketch of the curve. Now let's see what happens when we have negative value here. In this case, it is minus 1 with the sine axis, sine x or cos x. It will follow the same rule. If it is y equals to minus sine x, the shape of the curve will get inverse. First it was going from up to down, now it will go from down to up. The points on the axis of the curve will remain same, which are 360, 180 and 0. But maximum will occur at 270 now and minimum will occur at 90 degree now. The rest of the rule will remain same. Let's see an example here. It is y is equals to minus 2 sine x plus 1. To calculate the maximum value, we will do 1 plus minus 2 and 1 minus minus 2. So my maximum value is 3, my minimum value is minus 1, and my axis of the curve is 1. So this is my simple x-axis and y-axis. We will draw the axis of the curve at plus 1, and your points on the axis of the curve will occur at 0 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree. But now your maximum value, which is 3, will occur at 270 degree and minimum will occur at 90 degree. So after marking, you see minus 1 and 90. So after marking these 5 points, you just complete the sketch of the graph. At times question is said, what is the range of the curve? Range of the curve means the maximum or minimum value of y on the curve. If it is a continuous curve, there is no broken part in it. So now my minimum value is minus 1 and my maximum value is 3. So you will write it down like this. So this is the range of the curve. I hope you understood it. In my next video, I will explain you the sketching of trigonometric and cos as well. Thank you.